أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. So inshallah today we are going to start passive voice verbs. How to make a verb into passive voice. So in our regular TPI, we have been using active voice forms of the verb. So inshallah today we would learn how to make passive voice from the active voice. Okay. So there are two kinds of verbs. One is called fail lazim. The other is called fail mutaaddi. Lazim is called intransitive and mutaaddi is transitive in English. No? So fail lazim and mutaaddi, you should know the difference. The lazams are those verbs that do not take maf'ul. They do not need maf'ul. Like karuma, qama. Okay, when we did the TP of karuma, we said it doesn't have maf'ul. So those verbs that do not have maf'ul, these are fail lazim. So when there is these verbs are fail lazim, then we do not make passive voice of those verbs. And fail mutaaddi is all those other verbs that need object and they have maf'ul also, no? Like fataha, daraba, samiya, nasara. These are all fail mutaaddi. The fail lazim is karuma. He was honorable himself. Okay. Qama, he stood up. Jalasa, he sat down. So these are fail lazim. So for fail lazim, we do not make passive voice. There are some conditions that they can get maful also. So, but generally these do not have passive voice, and fail mutaaddi have passive voice. So we would only learn fail mutaaddi that can take maf'ul and they have passive voice. So there are certain rules to make the uh, passive voice. The rules are different for mazi and mudare. So this is the mazi column and this is mudare column. No? So for example, in level 1, we learned words that have 3 letters like fataha, daraba. These are all level 1 words. So we will take the example of fa'ala. Fa'ala is mazi and mudare is yafalu. So the rules are, if for example, first take the mazi form, fa'ala, how we will make it passive voice. The letter gets space. So fa becomes hu in passive voice. No? First letter gets space and the second last letter gets kasra or zair. Like ain is the second last letter here, so it gets kasra. It becomes fu'ila, fu'i. And the last letter is zabar, so last letter doesn't change, you know, when we make passive voice in mazi. So first letter gets space, second last letter gets zair, and last letter doesn't change. So fa'ala becomes fu'ila, fu'i. So there is a sound of u'i, u'i, fu'i. Okay. If there are more letters, like if there is another letter that has a sukoon in it, that doesn't change. If the letter has a sukoon, that doesn't change. So in mudare side, so fa'ala becomes yaf'alu. So the first letter gets pesh or dhamma. So yafalu has a fatha and it gets this pesh or dhamma here. First letter, dhamma. Second last letter gets fatha. Like ayn is second last letter, it has a fatha on it. And last letter doesn't change as in the case of mazi. Na? So here the sound is ua. Mazi in mudare sound is ua and in mazi ui. So the last letter doesn't change. If there is a letter that has a spoon, it would not change also. So yaf'alu becomes yuf'alu. Okay. So these are the rules. The other rules are that if there are other letters, then the in Mazi, all other letters would get Dhamma, and Mudare, all other letters would get Fatha. So like Fa'ala becomes Fu'ila, Fa'alu, Fu'ilu, U-E sound, Fa'alta, Fu'ilta, Fa'altum, Fu'iltum, Fa'altu, Fu'iltu, Fa'alna, Fu'ilna, U-E sound. Here in Mudare is U-A sound. Yaf'alu, yuf'alu, yuf'alu. Yaf'aluna, yuf'aluna. Taf'alu, tuf'alu. Taf'aluna, tuf'aluna. Af'alu becomes uf'alu. Naf'alu becomes nuf'alu. Okay? Make sense? So let's take some examples what we have learned. Like in level 1, we learned Fataha. Brother Asher, can you do this? Fataha, Mazi and Mudare. First Mazi and then Mudare, passive voice. Brother Asher.
Yes, yes,
So can you do the passive voice of Fataha?
yes. Um, Fataha for Futiha,
Futiha.
Futiha, Futihu,
Mm-hmm.
Futihta,
Yeah.
Futihtum, Futihtu, Futihna,
Yeah.
and Yaftahu,
Yaftahu is the
Yuftahu.
normal.
Yes, Yuftahu,
Yuftahu.
Yuftahu, Yuftahuna, Tuftahu, Tuftahuna, Uftahu, Nuftahu,
Mhm. Uftahu. Nuftahu.
Nuftahu.
Nuftahu. Very good. And Brother Azhar, can you do Daraba? Passive voice?
Daraba,
Mm-hmm.
regular, in passiva, Duriba. Fu'ira.
Yeah, Duriba. So Daraba means,
Daraba mean he hit.
and Duriba,
He was hit.
he was hit. Good.
Uh, Fu'ibu,
No, fit the word Doraba.
Fu. No,
Doraba,
okay.
not
Okay. Okay.
Daraba, Dorabu. And it would be
Dorebu.
Doribu. Doribu.
Duribu. Yeah.
Doribu.
Mm.
Dorita.
Duribta.
Doripta. Doriptum. Doriptu. Doribna.
Mm-hmm.
Or in Mudare,
Mm-hmm.
regular is Yadribu,
Mm-hmm.
and in passive voice is Yudrabu.
Yudrabu. Very good.
Yudrabu, Yudrabuna, Tudrabu, Tudrabuna, Udrabu, Nudrabu.
Udrabu, Nudrabu. And what would be the meaning of Nudrabu?
Uh, we uh,
We are hit.
we are hit.
We are hit or we will be
Will be hit.
hit. So can you tell us why this is a passive voice? We are hit.
Why is a passive voice?
In passive voice, what happens? Why it is called passive voice or majhul?
It has pesh.
Because the doer is unknown. Doer is not known in it. It is majhul. So Fataha, he opened. Futiha, it was opened. What was opened or who opened it? We do not know. Who opened it? We do not know.
When
The
we
doer is not
when
known.
we say yuf'alu, so he mean he open and he will open, huh?
No, no, yufalu. Yufalu or yuftahu?
No, same whatever you doesn't.
Yeah. For example, fataha yuftahu. Yuftahu is the passive voice. Yuftahu means
He
he is
open
yeah, he is open or he is
will
opened or he will be opened.
open.
So who opened it? We do not know.
We don't know.
The doer is
Uh,
hidden, is majhul.
okay.
Okay. If I say I opened, so I am the doer. No, it is known. Doer is known. Whereas in passive voice, doer is not known. Okay, thank you, Jazakallah khairan. Brother Farhan, Nasara, can you do the Mazi and Mudare passive voice? Nasara?
Okay, Nasara, Nusira,
Mm-hmm.
Nusiru, Nusirta, Nusirtum, Nusirtu, Nusirna.
Mm-hmm.
Yunsaru, Yunsaruna, Tunsaru, Tunsaruna, Unsaru, Nunsaru.
Unsaru, Nunsaru. Very good. So Nusira means?
And Nusira means he he uh, he was succeeded. He, he got succeeded.
Nasara means he helped.
He helped. Sorry, yeah, he helped.
Nusira,
So Nusira, he was helped.
he was helped. So he was helped. The person who helped him doesn't, we don't know who helped. No? So the doer is unknown. That's why it is passive voice. And Yunsaru means
Yunsaru means he is helped.
he is helped. Okay. Unsaru,
Unsaru, I am helped.
I am helped or I will be helped. Good. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan. Brother Iqbal Shahid. Samia.
السلام عليكم.
Welcome. Assalam.
سمع يسمع سمع
Mm-hmm.
سمعوا سمعت
Sumita. No, Sumita.
yes سمعت سمعتم سمعت سمعنا يسمع يسمعون تسمع تسمعون أسمع نسمع.
Usmau, Nusmau. And Sumia means
سمع means he was heard.
he was heard. He was, and Yusmau.
يسمع he is heard or he will be heard.
Mm-hmm. And Sumi'na,
سمعنا we were heard.
we were heard. Very good. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan. Brother Ejaz. Sa'ala.
Sorry. Sa'ala.
Yeah.
Um,
Sa'ala
Su'ila.
means
He asked.
he asked.
He asked. Sa'ala. Sa'ala. Su'ila.
Mm-hmm.
Su'ilu.
Mm.
Su'ilta. Su'iltum. Su'iltu. Su'ilna.
Yeah.
Yus'alu.
Yeah.
Yus'alu.
Sa'ala yas'alu. And passive is yus'alu.
Yus'alu. Yus'alu. Yus'aluna. Tus'alu. Tus'aluna. Us'alu. Nus'alu.
Us'alu, nas'alu. Very good. And su'ila means?
Su'ila, he was asked.
Su'ilu,
They were asked.
su'ilta,
You were asked.
su'iltum,
You all were asked.
su'iltu,
I was asked.
su'ilna,
We were asked.
we were asked. Very good. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan. Brother Abdul Razak. Razaka. Razaka means?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum.
I will try. I'm far behind. Razaka, he provided.
He provided. Very good. Razaka yarzuku is the normal pattern. Okay, Razaka, passive voice.
Ruzika,
Ruzika.
Ruzika, Ruziku, Ruzikta, Ruziktum, Ruziktu, Ruzikna.
Mhm.
Yurzaku, Yurzakuna, Turzaku, Turzakuna, Urzaku, Nurzaku.
Very good. Excellent. Yurzakuna means?
Um, he was provided.
No, it is Mudari.
He will be provided.
He is provided or he? They. Yurzakuna. It is.
They will be provided or they are provided.
They will be provided and they are. And Ruzika?
Ruzika, he was provided.
He was provided. And Turzaku?
You will be provided or you are provided.
Or
Or she was provided.
is. No was. Is. She is provided.
Is okay.
It is Mudare. No? She is provided.
So in case of feminine, it's only is,
No,
but
no.
otherwise
It is and will be also. So this word is for you, Mudare, and as well as she, Mudare. Mudare is for both present and future.
present.
Okay, Jazakallah khairan. Brother Naveed, can you do Fataha?
Fataha, Foteh, Foteha, Fotehu, Fotehta, Fotehtum, Fotehtu, Fotehna. Yuftahu, Yuftauna, Tuftau, Tuftau,
Tuftahu. Ha at the end. Ha.
Tuftahu, Tuftahuna, Nuftahu,
Uftahu.
Uftahu, Nuftahu.
And Futiha means?
Futiha means like it was opened.
Or he was open, it was. And if I say Futihat?
Foteh,
Futihat?
Fotehat, she was open.
He was. Very good. Safi is there. Safi,
Yeah.
can you do Doraba?
Okay. Doriba, Doribu, Doripta, Doriptum, Doriptu, Doribna. Yudrabu, Yudrabuna, Tudrabu, Tudrabuna, Udrabu, Nudrabu.
Very good. Nudrabu means?
We were hit. I mean, we are hit or we will be.
We are hit or we will be hit. And what is Nadribu?
Nadribu, Nadribu is we
Active.
active, so we are hit.
We are?
We
No.
hit or we will hit.
Hit or we
Will hit.
We hit or we will hit. Thank you, Safi. Next word is Nasara. Brother Rashid.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam.
A normal pattern is Nasara, Nasaru, Nasarta, Nasartum, Nasartu, Nasarna. And passive wise is Nosera, Noseru, Noserta, Nosertum, Nosertu, Noserna. And passive wise in Madare is Yun Saru, Yun Saruna, Tun Saru, Tun Saruna, Un Saru, Nun Saru.
Very good. And Tunsaru means?
Tun Saru means you succeeded.
No.
You You will say
Nasara
true.
means
Nasara means he helped. Sorry, help.
he helped. And
Yeah.
tunsaru
You are helped, or you will be helped.
or
Or she helped, or she will be helped.
he is helped or she will be
She
helped.
will be helped.
Very good. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you.
Okay.
Um, Ubaid, can you do Samia?
Samia, he listened.
Mhm.
Sumia, Sumi'u, Sumita, Sumitum, Sumitu, Sumitna. Yusma'u, Yusma'una, Tusma'u, Tusma'una, Usma'u, Nusma'u.
Okay. So Sumia means
Sumia, he was listened.
he was Sumiu
They were listened.
and Samiu
Sami'u, Sami'u, they listened.
they listened. And Sumiu
Sumi'u, they were listened.
they were listened. So that is the difference. Na? They listened and they were listened. Who listened them? We don't know. Thank you, Jazakallah khairan. Brother Shifa, welcome back. Can you do Sa'ala? Are you there?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Sa'ala.
Sa'ala.
Mhm.
Sa'ala, he asked.
Yeah.
So, passive is su'ila.
Yeah.
Su'ila, su'ilu, su'ilta, su'iltum, su'iltu, su'ilna. Yus'alu, yus'aluna, tus'alu, tus'aluna, us'alu, nus'alu.
Salu, salu. So L2 means?
Su'iltu, you were asked.
No, I.
So I was asked.
I was asked. So Ilna,
Su'ilna, we were asked.
we were asked. Yus'alu.
Yus'alu, he was asked.
Yus'aluna.
They were asked.
Tus'alu.
We are asked.
Tus'alu. Tus'alu.
Tus'alu, you are asked, or you will be asked.
And
And she is asked, or she will be asked.
very good. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you, Brother Shifa.
You are very welcome.
Okay, Muhammad bin Farhan. Can you do Razaka? Quick. Muhammad, are you there? No?
I can do it.
Okay, Burak, you do that. Razaka?
Razaka, he provided.
He provided. What is the passive voice?
Ruzika,
Mm-hmm.
Ruziku, Ruzikta, Ruziktum, Ruziktu, Ruzikna. Yuzraku, Yuzraku,
Yurzaku.
Yurzaku, Yurzakuna. Turzaku, Yurzakuna. Urzaku, Nurzaku.
Urzaku, Nurzaku. And Ruzika means?
He was provided.
He was provided. And Razaka?
Razaka, he provided.
He provided. And Ruzika?
Ruzika, he was
He
Ruzika,
was provided.
he was provided.
Very good. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan. Ayan, can you do Fataha?
Okay. Futiha, futihu, futihta, futihtum, futihtu, futihna. Yuftahu, yuftahuna, tuftahu, tuftahuna, uftahu, nuftahu.
Very good. So Futiha means?
He was opened.
Who was opened? Very good. And Fataha?
He opened.
Yuftahu.
Uh, he opened. He will open or
Yuftahu. Yuftahu. It is passive voice.
so. He was open or
Is
he.
opened. He is
Oh, he is opened.
or he will be.
Or he will be opened.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank
You're
you much.
welcome.
Next, Muhammad bin Ashar. Doraba.
He is not here, Abdul Khalim.
Okay. Ibrahim bin Farhan is there?
Yes.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
What word?
Doraba.
Okay. Duriba, duribu, duribta, duribtum, duribitu, duribna. Yudrabu, yudrabuna. Tudrabu, tudrabuna. Udrabu, yudrabu.
Yudrabu means?
Yudrabu, he is hit.
Yeah.
He is hit.
Yeah, good. He will be hit.
He is hit or he will be hit.
Okay. And Tudrabu?
You are hit or you will be hit.
Or?
You will be hit.
And?
You are hit or you will be hit.
And? This word is used for she also. She also. This has been told many times. This word here, you, is used for she also. Okay?
She will be hit.
She is hit or she will be hit.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Ibrahim. Okay, just we have few minutes. Let's learn few more things. There are some verbs that do not take these normal patterns.
Uncle Muhammad wants to do it.
Sorry, what?
Muhammad wants to do it.
Okay, Muhammad, do the Nasara.
Nasara, Nusira, Nusiru, Nusirta, Nusirtum, Nusirtu, Nusirna, Yunsaru, Yunsaruna, Tunsaru, Tunsaruna, Unsaru, Nunsaru.
Very good. Nunsaru means?
Nunsaru, you are. We get.
Nasara means? Nasara?
Nasara. We helped. He helped.
The Nunsaru.
Nunsaru, we help or we will help.
No. You don't get it. This is passive voice.
We are helped or we.
We are helped.
Or we will be helped.
Will be helped. Okay, thank you, Jazakallah khairan, Muhammad. So there are some special cases we can say. This like a qala. Qala becomes qila in Madi. Qala becomes qila and yakulu becomes yuqalu. Okay, so this is different than these normal cases. Similarly, da'a becomes du'iya in Mazi, and yadu, da'a yadu becomes yud'a. And there are in ba mudaf, the word is madda becomes mudda, and yamuddu, madda yamuddu, and yamuddu becomes yumaddu. Okay, so these are some variations you should know about these variations. So can I ask Abid to translate this ayah for us? Abir, are you there? Ben?
Yeah.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا ولا هم
No. This is one ayah finish.
وأن
فكانت أبوابا. Yeah. And
وأن فتحت she opened she was opened
yeah.
السماء the skies فسو كانت she became أبوابا doors
Doors. Very good.
and the sky was opened so it became doors.
It became doors. Very good. Excellent. So what is the word here? Futihat. Can you derive futihat?
فتح مؤنث passive فتح.
Fataha, futiha, and is masculine, and futihat is
مؤنث.
muannas. Very good. Excellent. Shifa is there. Can you do the next part of the ayah?
Okay. ولا هم ينصرون وأن لا not whom them ينصرون they will help they will be helped and they will not be helped.
Very good. How you can derive this yunsarun? Where it fits?
ينصرون
Yunsaruna is passive voice. Yunsaru is singular. Yunsaruna.
बोलो ना.
Third person plural. Okay. So can you combine this? Did you combine? And Shifa? And Shifa, are you there? No, I think we lost the connection. And walahum yunsarun. And
they will not be helped.
very good. Excellent. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan, Shifa. So that's it. Any questions? Okay, we can stop here.
Sorry, Khalid bhai, one question. For special cases, the pattern would be same for Madhi and Mudare?
No, this is Madi, you see, this is Madi column. This
right.
And this is Mudare.
Okay, so this is Mudare column.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
The columns are from top. Now Mazi, these two are Mazi and these two are Mudare. So this is different now. Okay, thank you. So let's move on to our next part.